Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining website where you can mine Dogecoin very easily and freely. Sign up for free Dogecoin. No minimum to withdraw your free Dogecoin. Here you can see receive your Dogecoin in less than 1 second and receive your minimum Dogecoin amount. Now how can you start your mining here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Here you just need to put your Dogecoin address and put your password, then click on sign up button. Then you can sign up on this mining website very easily and freely. Here you can see my mining is already start on this mining platform. I will get 20 gigahash power, that is very free, and here you can see earning per minute and duration 365 1 year. We will work on this mining platform. You must confirm your email, otherwise you will not be able to regain access to your account. If you forget your password, click here to update your email. We have other many options: dashboard, account, withdrawal, FAQ, contact us, and payouts. Here you can see my mining is start and minimum withdrawal you can check here. Here we have popular plans to get more and more Dogecoin per day on this mining platform. Here we have other options to deposit and withdrawal on this mining platform. How much you have to deposit here and how much you can take withdraw on this mining platform. If you can deposit here 20 Dogecoin, then you will get 80 Dogecoin profit, and 0.21 Dogecoin on daily basis you will get 40 gigahash power. We have many options: basics, professional, magico, and enterprise, golden, and heroes. If you can spend here 500 Dogecoin, then you will get 3500 Dogecoin as a profit, and on daily basis you will earn 9.58 Dogecoin profit from this mining platform and 700 gigahash power. In case if you want to buy, then you just need to click on buy now. It will bring you here. You must confirm your email, otherwise you will not able to. Warning, that is warning for all of us too. We have to update our email to get more and more accessories and points from this mining platform. Before made a purchase, you need to update your contact email in your account. You have to update to get more and more mining withdrawal from this mining platform. We have other option, that is account. Here you can see unique ID, country England, and created each and everything you can see here. Affiliate earning, you can also earn from your affiliate. We got here your affiliate link and get a 300,000 Dogecoin for 50 referral users active. Here you can see pending purchase, withdrawal, deposit, affiliate, earn, and referrals. You can check each and everything here, and we have other option that is called withdrawal. In case you can check your minimum withdrawal, and you also have give them your Dogecoin wallet address. You have to put your email, then click on send amount, then you can get your withdraw within a second in your wallet address. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb down and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. If you have any query or question, you can ask me in the comment section.